Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As a parent of two young children, they're going to be 13 and 10 next month actually. One of the things I'm most proud of having managed to instill in them is a sense of curiosity, a sense of wonder about the world. As a result, I have two young, inquisitive, curious kids who are constantly asking a wide range of bizarre and interesting questions. For example, yesterday I was asked, does light have a sound? Why do cats have tails? And how does the liquid in our inner ear help us to stay balanced? Sadly, I don't know the answer to many of these questions myself. So we explore, we Google, we watch YouTube videos on different kinds of subjects, we read blog posts about these topics, and often these are very informative, very educational. However, sometimes the information contained within them just goes sailing over my head. And at the end of a 10-minute video, I'm still none the wiser. If you say you're none the wiser, you basically mean that you don't understand something even though it's been explained to you. So maybe sometimes you might read the instructions for how to do something, and after having read them, you're still none the wiser. Maybe you watch a webinar about a hot new topic in your field, like mediation, for example. You sit there and you watch the whole 60-minute webinar, and at the end of it, you're still none the wiser about what the subject is supposed to involve. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of times when you were left none the wiser.